Since our founding in 1977, Iida Sangyo has thrived according to its corporate philosophy of providing society with more comfortable and affordable housing. Houses built with the in-house developed IDS construction method possess excellent longevity, earthquake resistance, insulation, and sealing. They are the embodiment of safe, comfortable housing. We can provide high-quality, affordable houses thanks to our extensive research in how to best provide safety and comfort at an affordable cost. This pursuit has found approval among our many customers. Its earthquake resistance was what made me decide on an Iida Sangyo house. Given the number of earthquakes recently, it really put me at ease. There are lots of things to worry about when buying a house, but the Iida Sangyo representative explained everything to me. He was incredibly helpful. This video introduces Iida Sangyo and the methods and benefits of Iida Sangyo's unique IDS construction method. As times change, it is only natural that what customers look for in a house changes as well. Iida Sangyo developed the unique IDS construction method, which is able to respond to customers' needs and offer safe, comfortable housing. The IDS construction method creates high-quality housing which features excellent earthquake resistance, durability, and insulation. The houses are also designed to be accessible and resistant against sick house syndrome. Not only does the IDS construction method offer great functionality, it also meets customer needs through low maintenance costs. Let's now look at some of the unique features of the IDS construction method. The IDS construction method creates the core makeup of the house through the combining of wall panels created in the factory. As such, the strength of these panels is one factor which directly relates to a house's earthquake resistance. So, Iida Sangyo makes use of unique and exceedingly strong earthquake-resistant panels. This experiment was conducted to test the earthquake resistance of a panel. On the right is an Iida Sangyo earthquake-resistant panel. To the left is a brace commonly used in wood housing. The same force was applied to each. As you can see, the beam in the brace bends and cracks. While the Iida Sangyo earthquake-resistant panel receives no damage and there is little to no change in its form. This earthquake-resistant panel has the strength and durability necessary to withstand even large earthquakes and typhoons. Iida Sangyo earthquake-resistant panels are made in our factory. During construction, insulating materials are also added. Since they are made in a factory, there is no difference in quality from panel to panel, and insulation can be added ahead of time. This helps reduce on-site work. Iida Sangyo also has confidence and takes pride in the metal fittings we select to join beams to foundation. We developed the exceedingly strong T-Lock 2 metal fitting. In order to test its strength, we tested it against a well-regarded brace already on the market. While the T-Lock 2 sees little change to its form, the brace breaks and the beam is displaced. So, just how large an earthquake can an IDS house withstand? This video shows an experiment in which an IDS house was subjected to seismic shocks similar to those from the LA earthquake, the Hanshin earthquake, the Chuetsu earthquake, as well as the predicted Kanto earthquake. This experiment clearly demonstrates the house's strength. In all 4 cases, the houses do not collapse and in fact receive no damage. This technology has been awarded the top grades attainable for earthquake and wind resistance, as defined by the national government. A house is with you for life. You want to use it for a long time. To maintain a long lifespan for wood houses, measures against humidity are important. We employ numerous techniques to maximize air circulation. For example, in order to prevent humidity from the ground, we use foundation packing to allow airflow around the floor and allow airflow to occur between the panels and siding. In this way, we ensure good circulation. The results gained through these techniques have given the IDS method the highest rating for durability on the house rating scale. The houses will last between 75 and 90 years. Because long-lasting houses also require less money for maintenance, they are the economically sound choice. For example, if you chose a standard house which would last for 25 years, you would need to rebuild twice in 75 years while also doing general maintenance. However, an IDS house, with its excellent build quality, would only require general maintenance and thus require less than half the overall money of a standard house. The regular inspections, cleaning, and repairs required for a house can also be easily done. For example, if the water mains are encased in concrete, repairs cannot be done easily and requires large-scale construction. The IDS construction method took water main placement into account in order to provide for easy and flexible maintenance and renovation for our customers once they are living in an IDS home. Thus, IDS also takes top marks for maintenance. The IDS construction method is also hardened against sick house syndrome, and construction materials exceedingly low in formaldehyde are used. The 24/7 air circulation system Airine is also standard, providing a comfortable and safe house. In order to increase the energy efficiency of IDS houses, high-quality insulation is used throughout the home. For the outer walls and floors, which are particularly sensitive to water and humidity, we make use of polystyrene, an insulation which is particularly suited for water. The windows are also well insulated and make use of energy-efficient double-pane glass. The main entrance is similarly insulated with an insulated door standard. Our houses also feature numerous accessibility features to ensure a pleasant environment for elderly customers. These include applying initial paint coats and the installation of hand railings and other features which make movement and providing care easy. In this way, IDS houses are well prepared for earthquakes, typhoons, and other natural disasters. We are also proactive in all areas of the housing performance indication system in order to provide high-quality housing that meets our customers' needs. We also provide our customers with evaluation sheets based on the system. In fact, IDS houses have received top marks in the 6 categories of the Housing Performance Indication System. However, there is no point in building a high-quality house if the quality varies from unit to unit. In order to ensure consistent quality, the IDS construction method utilizes factory construction for materials. This is a pre-cut factory in Tochigi Prefecture. By making use of state-of-the-art computer-controlled systems, we can ensure the quality of each piece. When done by hand, differences in skill necessarily lead to differences in the finished product. Factory-produced pieces show no variance in quality, ensuring the production of high-quality construction materials. In order to maintain high standards of comfort and safety, Iida Sangyo regularly conducts numerous inspections. Normally, when building a house, the government conducts one inspection in order to check for defects. At Iida Sangyo, we first conduct one inspection and evaluation during the design phase. And for all houses, in addition to the government inspection, we also conduct 5 inspections ourselves as well as have 4 inspections carried out by third parties. The evaluation sheet for the house is produced through these third-party inspections. We ensure high quality through these strict quality controls. Among the houses offered by Iida Sangyo is the Quick Renovation House. As the name implies, this is a house in which you can easily change the floor plan. This is commonly known as a skeleton infill house. While maintaining a lifespan of 75 to 90 years, this house is also able to adapt to changes in the owner's lifestyle through simple changes to the interior and floor plan. The Quick Renovation Home is designed with changes to the family's makeup and needs in mind. In order to meet these needs, the support pillars of the house are placed considering the need to be able to change the layout of the house. Thus, even if you combine multiple rooms, the pillars won't get in the way. For example, even if you had this many rooms when you first bought the house, you can easily create a wide space like this. Normally, changing a house's layout results in a weakening of the overbuilding, but this is absolutely not the case with an Iida Sangyo house. The strength of a house where multiple rooms had been combined was confirmed in an earthquake resistance test. Having looked at the various qualities and features of Iida Sangyo's housing, let's now take a look at the construction process and see how an IDS house is built. Before construction can begin, the land is first surveyed. In order to choose the best design, an in-depth analysis is conducted. Next, work begins on the foundation. The IDS construction method uses a solid foundation. In the first inspection, the interval of steel reinforcements is checked. During an earthquake, the open spaces in a building are subject to great force, so rebar reinforcements are added to create a solid structure. Here, the foundation has been completed. Here, we erect the base structure of the building. And install strong T-lock 2 joints to connect the foundation and pillars. We employ composite wood with guaranteed uniformity in strength and density. Next, we install Iida Sangyo's unique earthquake-resistant panels. These panels are made in our factory. As they are produced using computer-controlled methods, there is no variance in their quality. Also of note is that they have already had insulation installed at the factory. Installing on-site can lead to gaps and, depending on who does the work, large differences in quality and time required. This can also lead to construction materials being left in the rain. Iida Sangyo's unique earthquake-resistant panels only need to be slotted into place on-site. This greatly reduces the amount of work to be done on-site and also keeps construction materials from sitting out in the rain. Nailing proceeds according to plan. We only use high-quality nails in the construction of Iida Sangyo houses. Work then proceeds to the rest of the frame. The entire process takes only 2 days to complete. Next, work on the roof starts. This is followed by the second inspection. The metal connectors for beams and pillars are checked. Next, work starts on the outside. The outer wall makes use of highly fire-resistant siding.